Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tectum token. Now the Tectum token is being listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing on a big central exchange with over 6 million users. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token, the Tectum token, is being listed today at, well, it's July 18th at 15 hours UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search TET, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So Tectum is the only blockchain network to employ proprietary proof of utility, POU, consensus and superfast network protocol as described in the Tectum white paper. So they do have a white paper that you can find on their webpage. It's a very lengthy technical paper. Goes over the whole history and everything. POU protocol optimizes distribution, and the network enables nodes to distribute and validate over 1 million digital events per second, making Tectum the fastest blockchain in the world by far. So the token they have is on the Ethereum blockchain, so it's technically a token that we're talking about here. This is not the blockchain coin. The token on the Etherscan here says they almost have 2,000 holders. Right now they're at 1,837 holders. They're up 3.9% today, it says. There is a max total supply of 10 million TET tokens. Price per token here is the holders are up 3.9%, but the token is actually down 15% today. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens when it gets listed, though, because this is before its initial listing here. So token price is $9.41 per token. Fully diluted market cap is $94,087,000, and there is 8 decimal places on this token. This is the ERC20 token. Now, if you go to their web page, you can find a full white paper. If you want to skip right to the white paper, just go to tectum.gitbook.io. That'll take you right where you need to go. Now, if you open their webpage, it is softnote.com. Softnote.com. And over there, you can find airdrop info. You can find products like the TET token, the Tectum blockchain, Tectum Softnote, Tectum Explorer, Tectum Wallet, crypto solutions for your business, XFA authentications, and just looking at all that, all the products that they have, obviously they're going to have a gigantic white paper. Now you could stake this token. It has the contract address right on the page. You can get the token off Uniswap. I don't like Uniswap just because of the gas fees and because of the failed transactions, and then you lose your gas fees and the slippage and all that nonsense. I would rather use Mexc Global, but that's up to you, obviously. And the contract address is on here. Link is available to Uniswap. You can also stake your TET tokens on the page here, and it says get up to 60% annual percentage yield, APY, for staking the tokens. So digital cash for your crypto. So Softnote is the company here. Softnote creates digital cash and unlimited scale for any blockchain. Now everyone can accept and use crypto and earn rewards while doing so. So minting soft note, you mint soft notes. Minting a soft note creates a wallet on the target blockchain and a new soft note bill. You choose the denomination. Every minter gets rewarded every time their bill is spent forever. Filing soft note. Filling soft note. You fill soft note with liquidity in the correct denomination. Every liquidity provider gets a reward every time their liquidity is spent forever. So they go over how many bills they have. They have over 1.46 million bills that are minted in total. And then it says 2,076 bills filled with liquidity and $477.9 million potential liquidity in the soft note system. So why soft note? The best of the digital and physical money systems powered by Tectum. That's the Tectum blockchain. So it's transactionless. Soft note is transactionless. Change hands by transferring wallet ownership and keys, not by clogging up layer 1 chains. Zero fees. Soft note bills are meant to be spent, so fees are charged to retailers who accept soft note, not users. Anonymity. With filled wallets, changing ownership rather than coins, there's an added layer of anonymity with every transaction. Massive scale. Soft note runs on the world's fastest blockchain, Tectum, with up to 1.3 million transactions per second. That's 5,000% more powerful than MasterCard or Visa. Now, goes over more about what soft note is, but I don't want to talk about that the whole time. So let's go over to where the Tectum token information is. So a soft note mint license and a point of entry into the ecosystem. The Tectum enumeration token, TET, ticker symbol TET, provides partners with a universal and highly lucrative entry system into our suite of financial technology, the fintech tools. TET, along with your wallet, Tectum enumeration coin, soft note minting license, soft note, Telegram bot, mobile app, and other tools, allows users to effortlessly use crypto, NFTs, and digital contracts with minimal risk while maximizing security and speed. TET solves the problem of crypto usability by becoming a universal store of value and allows peer-to-peer, P2P, and retail transactions on real-time, secure and fee-free environment, all while allowing fair and easy access to KYC and developing regions. The utility encourages mass adoption, financial independence, and personal control to any user worldwide. And how the token is split up, we got 10% going to team, 10% giveaways and listings, 5% service providers, 2% initial liquidity, 8% public sale, 15% private sale, 5% seed sale, 5% advisors, 10% development, and 10% liquidity, and then 20% staking and nodes. So if you want to read more about the token, if you want to read their roadmap, all the information, that's all available. Tectum.io, or you just go over to SoftNote. SoftNote.com. That's going to have all the info over there. You can check out their Telegram at Tectum Driven, or you can check out their Twitter at Tectum Social. And you can find the new listing there on MEXC Global, or the new listing announcement, anyways, on MEXC Global's Twitter. And just check out MEXC Global and the referral codes down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about Tectum and the TET token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.